Business English, Unit 2, The Global Economy, Lecture 10, Sustainable Development. Hello everyone, welcome to today's lecture on sustainable development. In this presentation, we will explore the concept of sustainable development and its role in promoting economic growth and environmental sustainability. Sustainable development is an approach to economic growth that seeks to balance economic, social, and environmental considerations. It recognizes that economic growth and environmental sustainability are not mutually exclusive, and that development must be pursued in a manner that does not compromise the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. The content of the lecture. In this lecture, we will talk about these elements: climate change, sustainability, and the triple bottom line. Climate change. Scientists point to the dangers of climate change, in particular global warming. This is the rise in temperatures in the atmosphere and the sea, caused by emissions of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases from the burning of hydrocarbon or fossil fuels such as oil and coal. Some say that the Earth cannot sustain much further industrialization. The Kyoto Protocol of 1997 was designed to put the United Nations Climate Change Convention into effect. This originally aimed to cut emissions to 5% below 1990 levels by 2020. Some businesses complain that these targets will increase their costs. Sustainability. Sustainability is the idea that the economy should be organized in ways that can be continued without causing irreversible damage to the environment or depletion of natural resources. Businesses should be run not for short-term profit, but in a way that takes account of the long-term interests of society and the environment. Developing countries are trying to attain the living standards of the industrialized world. Some warn that, in addition to the dangers of global warming, the world's natural resources are not sufficient for this. Others argue that renewable, non-polluting energy sources such as wind power will allow further economic growth without causing damage to the environment. Some argue that nuclear energy still has a role to play. These are some of the issues surrounding sustainable development in the global economy. The triple bottom line. Sustainability, a consultancy, says that the triple bottom line, TBL, makes corporations concentrate not just on the economic value they add, but also on the environmental and social value they add and destroy. The TBL is used to sum up the values, issues, and processes that companies must pay attention to in order to minimize any harm resulting from their activities and to create economic, social, and environmental value. The three lines represent society, the economy, and the environment. Society depends on the economy, and the economy depends on the global ecosystem, whose health represents the ultimate bottom line. In conclusion, sustainable development is an approach to economic growth that seeks to balance economic, social, and environmental considerations. It recognizes that economic growth and environmental sustainability are not mutually exclusive, and that development must be pursued in a manner that does not compromise the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. That is all for today. See you next time.